Hello friends, so let us do problem number 7 of exercise 1.1. In this we are asked to check whether the given relation is equivalence or not. So if it is equivalence relation, then it has to satisfy three things. It has to be reflexive, it has to be symmetric, and it has to be transitive. So again we have to check for all three, and then after we will tell whether it is equivalence or not. So let us read what is the statement. Show that the relation R in the set A of all the books in a library of a college given by R. Relation R can be given as ordered pair XY. X and Y have same number of pages, right? So over here we have to find the books which has a same number of pages is an equivalence relation. ठीक है? So again, first of all we have to consider that there is a library. In library there are so many books. तो ऐसा हो सकता है ना कि कोई भी 5 बुक ऐसी हो कि जिनके टोटल नंबर ऑफ पेजेस है वो 100 हो. इज इट पॉसिबल? मान लो कि 5 बुक है, पांचों की पांचों बुक है वो मैथ्स की ही है, सेम टू सेम. So obviously it is possible that they will have a same number of pages. But it may not match with the other books. दूसरी बुक के पेज नंबर्स 120 हो सकते हैं, 200 हो सकते हैं, 300 हो सकते हैं, कुछ भी हो सकता है, राइट? So over here we have to make a set of books. R है वो क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है? Which has the same number of pages. ठीक है? So let us try to solve it for the reflexive first. ठीक है? So let us consider that we have a book A. Okay. तो यहाँ पे हम लिख सकते हैं ना कि A बुक A या फिर यहाँ पे X लिख लेते हैं. X बुक X एंड X. ओके, खुद के साथ से ही कंपैरिजन करना है. सो बुक X एंड X will have same number of pages, right? Hence what I can say is X and X belongs to R. X and X belongs to R for every X belongs to A. ठीक है? So what I can say is it is a reflexive relation. ठीक है ना? Okay. Now second part हम देख रहे हैं. Okay. So in second part we have to prove that it is symmetric. Okay. So let us consider that there is a book X and Y. There is a books X and Y. Okay. Which will have book X and Y have same number of pages. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? X and Y है, मान लो कि दोनों के 100 पेजेस है. तो X and Y have same number of pages. That's why I can include them. X and Y belongs to R. ये मैं लिख सकता हूँ. इसका उल्टा भी सही है, जैसे कि बुक Y and X मैंने स्वैप कर दिया ऑर्डर, have same number of pages. तो ये बात भी सही है. That means Y ऑर्डर पेयर YX also belongs to R. ओके, और ये किसी भी बुक के कॉम्बिनेशन के लिए ये चीज पॉसिबल है, राइट? सो व्हाट आई कैन राइट इज फॉर ऑल XY belongs to A. So what I can say, hence R is symmetric. ठीक है? और थर्ड के लिए देखते हैं अभी, राइट? सो फॉर थर्ड यू हैव टू कंसीडर 3 बुक्स. सो लेट अस कंसीडर दैट वी हैव अ बुक X and Y which will have same number of pages. So that is XY belongs to R. फिर लिखेंगे there is a book Y and Z which will have same number of pages. So YZ belongs to R. अभी देखो x और y दोनों के पेज नंबर सेम है, 100 है मान लो, ओके। y और z के कितने होंगे, दोनों के सेम है, मतलब उसके भी 100 होंगे। सो ऑब्वियसली x and z will have same number of pages, right? So book x and z will have same number of pages. So what I can write is x and z also belongs to R for every x y z belongs to A. So इसका मतलब है yes it is a transmittive, yes it is a transmittive, right? लिख सकते हैं हम, ओके। सो लास्ट में आपको क्या लिखनी है कि as it is reflexive, symmetric and transmittive relation, we can say that it is a equivalence relation also, ठीक है ना? So it was very easy. Thank you.